everyone, what you are about to watch are some quick little clips that I put together from my recent trip to Israel. I went on birthright at the end of December, and if you do not know what birthright is, it is when you are either half Jewish, which I am, or full Jewish, and Israel pays for you to come over there completely free. They pay for your flight, all the hotels that you stay in, all the food that you eat, and all the adventures that you go on. It was one of the most amazing experiences I've ever been on in my whole entire life. I put off going on this trip for years now. The thought of meeting random people at the airport and traveling 10 hours on a flight to a different country scared me so much. But I came back with amazing memories that I will cherish forever and ever and friendships that will last a lifetime. Some of the beautiful cities that we visited were Netanya, Haifa, Jerusalem, and Tel Aviv. The thing that they all had in common was the food. The most popular foods that you could literally find at every single corner were falafels, which are chickpeas rolled into a ball and then fried, shawarma, which is shaved meat and vegetables in a pita bread, shakshuka, which I actually just made a video on, and of course, hummus. So, the hummus that we have here in the supermarkets, I know a lot of people love, but for me, I was just never a fan of the taste of it. The hummus in Israel was a different story for me. I was obsessed. It's actually pronounced hummus with that little raspiness in your voice, and it's so creamy and it's served with fluffy cloud-like pita. I am about to show you how to make the best hummus in 3, 2, 1.